Welcome to the biggest pack opening in Madden 24 Mobile's history. We have got 44 packs to open in this video. So, let's get into it. Let's start at the bottom. We'll go with this pack right here. What do we get? Oh! Deontay Swift! I was not expecting that. I'm gonna upgrade team right there. Then let's just keep on moving through. Let's start back up at the top. Okay. Tyler Higbee. I don't know what this pack, what the pack odds are. So. Okay, Dalton Kincaid. 102 overall. I'm just gonna do select all because we're running through all these packs. Okay, Tyreek Hill, 100 overall. That's a good pull. Let's get Rashad Bateman, 83. Right guard, 83. Oh, Ezra Cleveland to step up. Will Clapp. Fullback. CJ Uzama. He's not going to help the team, but. Alright, let's upgrade team. We're up to a 2,400 overall. We're getting upgrades all over the team. Let's continue to upgrade the team. We're getting very low overall pulls right here, but Ty Montgomery, Rashad Bateman, new player, Hayden Hurst. Man, this is just a pack opening of good tight ends. We've gotten another pack. Oh, pack opening of good tight ends. We've got so many good tight ends. This pack opening, the most insane pack opening in Madden 24's history. Let's go here. We just, with this pack opened, we reached halfway through all the rest of the packs. Let's go, James Cook and Zach Tom. Mr. Cleveland and we got a new pull. Kenny Pickett. All right, here we go. Most feared. Okay, cornerback, 87 overall. Cornerback. We got some more most feared. Whoa. No. Go back. Yeah, I think I just opened all the packs. So we have one more pack right here. Select one of them. I think I want Jason. Another pack right here. Let's get the linebacker. I think I accidentally claimed him. Opened all the packs, so let's open this. Oh, Patrick Ricard, fullback. Last pack of the pack opening. I'm sorry, guys, I made that mistake, but can we get some heat right here? Oh! Kick returner. He can play wide receiver for us. A 102 kick returner. Now, let's go over to the team and check it out. I did mess up. I did do upgrade or open them all. Now, we have starting wide receiver, tight end, Dalton Kincaid. We got some good pulls in this pack opening. I will tell you that. Our defense is still looking pretty bad, but our kick returner. Let's change to this guy. Oh, we can't. Can't change out Jalen Rager. You can level up people. Let's go try to level up on offense. Right here with use the token, go up one level. Let's try to see how far we can go up. +3. Okay, we're getting them up to a 104 overall. 105. Keep upgrading him, and then we're maxed out on upgrades for Tyreek Hill. So our positions, our key positions are looking pretty good. Offensive lines are looking pretty good. If you guys want to see another episode of Madden Mobile, drop it down in the comments, and I will play with the team. We'll open some packs, then we'll play with the team. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See ya.